Vietnam Crypto Insights. I'm back here. This is Terrence. Some people here call me Big Poppy here in Vietnam. And we talk about crypto, everything crypto, blockchain here. Big news, the FOMC meeting is this week, Wednesday, US time. And you know what that means? They're going to announce what they're going to do with the rates. It's going to be a lower rate. You know, that's going to be bullish for Bitcoin and the crypto community as a whole. We're going to hold steady. That might still be bullish, especially if there's some indications that they're going to lower rates later this year, but they've already leaked that information out last week. So I think that there's some whales that already have caught wind of what they're going to do. And I think that they're probably going to hold everything steady for a while. They might even announce that they're not going to lower rates at all later this year. So what happened is a huge whale, has put a looks like $380 million short. You know, basically they're betting that the market is going to go down for Bitcoin. And for those that's not inundated with not up to date with the language of crypto here, actually it's $332 million short. And this is actually going to be a big bet, but you know, this has typically happened. I've actually reported on this a couple times the past year, that you know, typically when the market already gets wind of what the Fed is going to do in the US, they've already priced in the market. They already know what they're going to do when they get wind of that, even if it's before the FOMC meeting. And then if it actually becomes to be true, and the market has actually several times the past year and a half has actually went down when the FOMC meeting was announced and the reporting came out and it was accurate, the market typically tanks slightly. So I think that these whales, they know this, they've seen the pattern, and they basically have adapted this to the strategy of just shorting right before the FOMC meeting, and then taking that trade and making money off of it. So they know that the FOMC meeting is going to be pretty much priced into what, you know, the market already knows it beforehand. So I think that's what was happening here. They caught the wind of what they were going to do last week, and they've already priced it in. So they know the market's going to go down right after the announcement. And it might not be long lived, but hell, if they know that it's going to go down a few thousand and they've got 40, 50 million, 100 million, 200, 300 million as the case here, you know, they could make millions just within a few thousand, you know, if it goes down a few thousand after the meeting. And, you know, they could, you know, cash out at that point, you know, if it's not got a specific target on their bet. You know, I'm not a trader, so I can't get all this terminology, but the smart thing to do is, if you are a trader, you know, hey, do what the big money does. You know, usually the big money knows what's happening, man. You know, I'm just saying, this is not a financial advice, but you know, big money, especially $250 million, third of billion money, knows what they're doing. They don't make those type of bets, man, if they don't know what they're doing. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I just wanted to catch everyone out there with this information so that you can take advantage of it too. Wednesday is the day, and if you're going to take advantage of this opportunity to make some money too, do so. Anyway, I'm over and out. Make sure you like, share, comment on the video, and you know, come on, let's boost the channel. We've got some good information we're presenting. And anyway, keep it coffee and crypto. I'll talk to you soon.